Do you know about the Hiccup Record? Charles Osborne, 1894-1991, had the hiccups non-stop for approximately 68 years, from 1922 to June 5, 1990. According to the Guinness Book of World Records, this is the longest bout of the hiccups ever recorded. In the beginning, Osborne's hiccups occurred at a rate of around 40 times per minute on average. Throughout his life, this gradually slowed to about 20 hiccups per minute until they finally stopped mysteriously about 1 year before his death in 1991. It is estimated that he hiccuped over 430 million times in his lifetime.